Well, switching gears here is back to school for a lot of students around the metro area, and for some of them, they're returning to a situation that was a little troubling last year. Lindsay Shively joins us live at Pitcher Academy with more on what we can expect this upcoming school year. Lindsay?
Hey, that's right. Good morning, Jojo. You know, this morning started out great for about 12,000 kids in the Kansas City, Missouri School District. All of them got a backpack full of supplies, full of personal care items. The backpack was brand new. Take a look at this. They got to meet Casey Wolf. The Kansas City Chiefs were here to pass out those backpacks along with the superintendent. This all coming from a lot of community organizations. Heart to Heart International, Hallmark stepping up with the football team as well. So many people making sure the school year at least starts off on the right foot. But now it's time to think if the school year can continue on the right track that it needs to be on. It was a rough year last year. The MAP test scores just came back, the Missouri Assessment Program, and it showed that only 29% of the students tested proficiently. And also talking about right-sizing plan, this is really the year they're looking at hopefully these growing pains, they call it, ending with the beginning of the plan being implemented. They closed almost 30 schools. They had to let dozens of teachers go, and combining those student bodies really was problematic at schools like Southwest Early College campus. Police had to be called several times to break up fights, even a fire. So I talked to the superintendent today about whether or not that discouraged him and how they are going to move forward.
Our first year was to right-size the district. The second year was to implement the right-sizing recommendations that we made year one. All of that's done. And so now it's really time for us to get down to the serious business of teaching and learning.
What is going on right now? Day one of the 2011-2012 school year underway. We're live in Kansas City. Lindsay Shively, NBC Action News.
Okay.